Bilang kabataang makabayan, sa sagisag at kalayaan. Bilang kabataang makabayan, ako'y magmamahal sa walang hanggan. Ako'y nagkakaisang walang hanggan.
Filipino activists and community advocates rallied in front of Alaris Health at the Fountains in Secaucus, New Jersey. The rally was organized by Anak Bayan, New Jersey and the Filipino Workers.
Manakawan na di namamalayan, bukas ng pinto ng pag-unlad di mapasukan, hindi sapat ang sipag, hindi sapat katapatan. Ibigay mo ang lahat, ikaw ay tatapakan. Hayaan mo kasi kailangan ko ng trabaho. Hanggang saan hahayaan pagmamaltrato? Katulad ng kalabaw, katulad ng kabayo, masipag malakas pero may hangganan din tayo. Hindi mo utang sa kanila na ikay may trabaho. Hindi sila uulat kung walang empleyado. Kaya doon kamay, likod ng basa, manggagawa makinarya ng bawat bansa. Binigay ang lahat, hindi ramdam ang pagod, puyat, pawis, gutom. Tuloy pa rin ang tayo, empleyado ang dihado.
From a lover that was always both in search of something that would give us something to believe in despite our weakness. Went to a teaching, maybe just a workshop. Words never heard like globalized oligarchs still making street art. Looking for a train car to paint your name. Purple rain, my sweetheart. How the young Mac become an organizer. Shed your old skin, become a little wiser. Keep the door open, listen to the issues. The elders in the hood will call you when they need to. No one's gonna feed you if you ain't working. We were flipping burgers, others went to serving. She used to love bad boys, tricksters like Merlin. Ended up a lesbian after some soul searching. Unleash your burdens, pour out some bourbon. Fall in love again if you find the right person. It better be you that you're speaking to when you confess your love and all your admiration.
Love is contagious. Love is alright. Love is contagious.
Yeah, yeah.
Love is contagious. When it's alright. Love is contagious.
Sometimes I can't sleep when I think of you. Back home in the fields and I read the news. The dangers you face as an activist. Comrades you've lost, no accident. Keep writing these raps to expose the truth. Using words to fight back feels trivial. That's my tool of choice as we duel for voice. At some point this noise will not destroy the work you chose for the rest of your life. Sacrifice that comes when you're organized. That love can't die when the bullet's shot. When the baton is swung by an angry cop. Can't stop a movement whose time has come.
Happy 10th anniversary!